Has don beg federal government make dem increase how dem dey manage and account for Naija natural resources. Danladi Erisa, wey be national coordinator of Publish What You Pay Naija, tok dis one for press conference wey shele for Abuja. She put mouth for how global energy transition fit affect Naija oil money and say all di sectors for di country need to do better with transparency and accountability. She tok say di coalition dey focus on how Naija go do dis economic transition well to put framework wey go make sure say di country resources dey benefit citizens wella and also help climate matter. She still praise di Naija Extractive Industry Transparency Initiative for how dem dey try push transparency reform for the extractive sector. She come hail the new leadership for NNPC Limited and beg them make them no waste time, say make dem share operation data wella and keep to their promise to help the country grow.
Trade our call on government at all levels in Nigeria to increase their stewardship accountability on the use of the country's natural resource revenues. It is known that the ongoing global geopolitics tension, such as the Ukraine and Russia war, escalating conflicts in the Middle East, raising trade rivalries between the US and other powerful nations are having significant ripple effects, such as oil price that we're having now. That could create uncertainty for budgeting and economic planning in Nigeria. The global energy transition also has implications for the stability of Nigerians' oil-based revenue flows.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.